Welcome to round 2 of the UPC bantamweight bout between NKLA Motor Corporation and Marathon Digital Holdings. The end of round 1, MARA held a slight advantage over NKLA with a score of 23-18. Round 2. NKLA opens at $4.65, while MARA opens at $5.41. 100 shares of NKLA were purchased early in round 1 at an average price of $5.45. Also, late in round 1, a $4.50 strike short put was entered. Toward the end of the opening trading day of round 2, the short put was exited at 77.3% of the max profit. Overall, $17 was locked in for NKLA, and the ROI for this trade was 3.78%. Coming into round 2, it seemed that a heavy toll was exacted on NKLA after a price drop in round 1. In fact, only a $5 premium could be had at the $5.50 strike, which was the strike closest to our entry price. But after the sharp upward move in price action today, NKLA is off to a great start here in round 2. Meanwhile, MARA has landed a punch already in round 2 as well. In the opening round, an iron condor was sold, but the put and call credit spreads of the condor were sold separately. And at the start of round 2, the short call vertical, the call credit spread, was closed out for a $4 profit. MARA's original iron condor was sold for $22, and per the UPC rules, it can only be closed out when 75% or greater of the max profit is reached, which is about $17. Therefore, as a short call vertical gained $4, it means that the short put vertical needs to profit $13. As you can see here, it was sold for $17. Therefore, a close order was placed for $4, which would net the needed $13 profit. MARA also threw another early punch by entering a short call at the $6.50 strike price. But since the premiums were smaller at the 7.8 expiration, the 7.15 expiration was chosen, carrying a premium of $20. So at the opening of round 2, MARA seems to have continued to benefit from the late momentum shift of round 1, but NKLA has fought its way back with a short put. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to catch the remaining action of round 2 of this UPC bantamweight bout between NKLA and MARA.